In this video, we'll look at using an Excel spreadsheet to represent the graphical addition of vectors. So in this example, we have three vectors. I've labelled A, B, and C. And they're plotted here with each of the vectors starting at the origin of 0, 0. So vector A at an angle of 80 degrees to the x-axis and a length of 7. Vector B in red with a length of 8 and at an angle of 180 degrees to the x-axis. Therefore, it is on the horizontal axis, the x-axis in the negative direction. Vector C has a length of 10 and is at an angle of minus 110 to the x-axis. Now, to calculate the x and y coordinates of the end of each axis, we simply use trigonometry. If you're not familiar with the formulas, then I encourage you to do a Google search. Simply look up trigonometry. So we're looking at the end coordinates of vector A, and they're simply given in the x direction by the length multiplied by the cosine that the vector of the angle that the vector makes to the x-axis. Now in Excel, when we take the cosine or the sine or indeed the tan or the tangent of an angle, we need to have those angles in radians. So we can nest the formula radians within our cell. So here I have radians of our angle in degrees, and outside that I have wrapped a formula of cosine. So I'll close that. So that gives us then the formula to calculate the x-axis, the x coordinate for the end of vector A. And similarly, for the y coordinate, we use the sine function. So we do this for vector A, vector B, and vector C, and all have the origin of 0, 0.